Hello guys. So ito guys, ito yung natira lang na kubo guys. Yan yung natira. Yung kasi guys, ito ganito yung guys, ito yung ano na guys, ito yung likod ng bahay ko guys. Yan. Ngayon guys, punta tayo di guys ito yung nasira pa ng bagyo guys. Di ko pa inayos medyo wala pa sa budget guys. Yan. Tapos ito guys, ito guys, wala pa, di po may inayos guys. Kasi guys, wala pa budget guys. Ngayon guys, nilabas tayo guys Ngayon guys, dito dati guys may kubo to. Ayun, yan guys, may kubo. Tapos guys, dito may kubo rin dito dati. Yung sinira ng bagyo guys, nakto, nawala na guys. Okay lang guys, kahit pa paano guys, nakasubbay pa rin guys. Ito yung pader ko guys, punta doon. Yan guys, yan. Ito guys, yung likod ko, yan hanggang doon guys. Ito guys, hanggang dito guys. Ngayon guys, dito naman ito guys. Nandito guys. Ngayon guys, yan guys. Ito yung ano guys, yung island guys, San Pablo City. Pwede kayo mamasal dyan guys. Oh, hello guys. Ito naman guys yung dagat guys. Yan guys. Ito si Caritas guys. Ito guys, ano guys. Yan guys, pero pag may budget lang guys, paayos ko to guys yung likod dito guys. Kasi napagkaganda dito guys. Yan guys. Yan dagat namin guys. Oh, yan dagat namin guys. Yan. Iwa hangin. Ito guys. Ito. Yan guys. Ito. Ayan ko naman guys. Matilas bagyo guys. Yan guys. Alright. Guys. Ayan guys. Ikot na naman tayo dito guys. Oh. Hello guys. Hello. Enjoy guys. Enjoy guys. Ayun guys. Yan. Ganda dito guys. Ganda panahon ngayon guys. Hindi gaano malong. Yan. Sariwang hangin guys. Sariwang hangin. Ito. May ano dyan guys. Ito po tabaw. Yan guys. Ayun guys. Oh. Hello guys. Hello. Oh, yan. Oh, musta kayo dyan guys? Sana guys, enjoy kayo guys. Enjoy. Yan guys. Punta na tayo dito guys. Yan guys, yung likod ko guys. Kaya wala pang budget guys. Kaya medyo di pa naalis masyado guys. Isang cases nga, araw-araw makasurvive guys. Ayun guys, ito yung bundok yun guys. Punta guys. Yan. Yun guys. Yan. Ito yung puno ng kahoy ko guys. Yan. So guys. Oh. Yan guys. Ito si Cardo guys. Enjoy. Welcome to my vlog guys. Alright. Yan guys, yan.